What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make your tweets go in order on your Twitter timeline. Now this is a recent change Twitter made where it just shows their relevant tweets, whatever that means, first on your timeline. But you could actually switch it back so that you could see it in chronological order and in any order you want for Twitter. So as you can see, I'm on my feed right now. And there's kind of a bunch of random posts. Like some of these posts are retweets or things that people have commented on. And it kind of just shows the more popular accounts or accounts you interact with. So if you hit the stars in the upper right hand corner, you're going to see an option right at the top to switch to latest tweets. It's going to take a second to load, and then you can see now that all the latest tweets are popping up. I follow a lot of people, so a lot of tweets are going to be coming in. And as you can see, every time I refresh, you're going to be seeing all of these tweets just posted a couple seconds ago. And I'm going to scroll up and do it again just to show you that any of the new tweets come in and none of random tweets that you missed are going to pop up. Kind of depends on what your preference is for your feed if you want to see the most relevant tweets. Twitter has a decent algorithm for figuring this out. But if you don't follow a lot of people, you might just want to see the latest tweets. That way you can catch up on everything that you missed once you leave Twitter. That's pretty much it though. If you were confused or had any questions, be sure to drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the growth of the channel a lot. And thanks for watching.